Hello dear students, hope everyone is doing great. Our today's lesson is analytic geometry and specifically analytic analysis of point. Okay, two number lines which are perpendicular to each other at the origin, it means point 0, is called a rectangular coordinate system. And the plane used for this is called the analytic plane. Okay, this plane is analytic plane. And also the horizontal line is called x-axis, the vertical line is called y-axis, and also these axes or these lines gave us what? 4 quadrants. Okay, first quadrant, second, third, and fourth. Okay, and this point is the origin. It means 0 and 0. The coordinate of x and y is in this point is 0 and 0. Okay, at first quadrant, the x-axis and y-axis, it means the x quadrant and y quadrant is both positive. Okay, x and y both positive. In second quadrant, y is positive, x is negative. Okay, as you see in the direction minus plus, so x is minus, y is plus. In second and third quadrant, as you see the direction x minus and also y minus, so x and y both minus. And as you see in fourth quadrant, x is positive, y is negative, so x positive, y negative. Okay, on analytic plane, we can specify exact place of any point by using its x and y coordinates. Okay, if we are asked to find the direction or the position of a point, we are easily can specify its exact place. Okay, by using the x and y quadrant. Okay, let's take a point P in any quadrant of the analytic plane and draw a perpendicular line segment from P to X and Y axis, which meet the coordinate axis at A and B. As you see in the figure, we have a point P in any quadrant, doesn't matter. We can draw here, we can draw here, or we can draw in the fourth quadrant. Okay, after pointing a point in the first quadrant, we are going to draw a perpendicular line to x-axis and also a perpendicular line to y-axis. It intersects here and we name it A, and here it intersects, so we write B here. So point P, x coordinate is A and y coordinate is B. Okay, and also we name here, as you see here, the real number A on the x-axis is called the x coordinate or abscissa of point P. It means this A is called abscissa, or we can say x coordinate, and this real number B is called ordinate or y coordinate or ordinate, this point B. And also the ordered path AB, as you see here, is called the coordinate of the point P, and it is denoted by PAB. It means point that made up of two axes. In x-axis we have A, and in y-axis we have B. Okay, example, plot the points A, 1 and minus 2, B, minus 3 and minus 4, C, minus 2 and 1, D, 3 and 2, and so on. Okay, first of all, point A. In point A we have 1 and minus 2, so 1 should be in x-axis and minus 2 should be in y-axis. So x is positive, so in here, this direction, y is negative in this direction. So first of all, 1, where's y minus 2? Here. So we have to draw perpendicular lines, so in where they intersect in here. So this point is A, 1 and minus 2. Okay, point B, minus 3 and minus 4, so x is minus, y is also minus. In third quadrant, x minus 3, y minus 4, so we draw perpendicular lines. And here they intersect, so this point is point B, minus 3 and minus 4. Okay, C, this is x, this is y. X is minus 2, where? In here, x minus 2, y is 1, so we draw perpendicular lines. So in here, in this point, they intersect. So this point is C. Minus 2 and 1. D, 3 and 2. X is 3, Y is 2. And also we draw perpendicular lines. This point is D, 3 and 2. Okay, point E, minus 7 over 2 and 4. Minus 7 over 2 is minus 3.5. It means a number between 3 and 4. Minus 3 and minus 4. So minus 3.5 is here. And 4 from X. So we draw perpendicular lines. And here they intersect. So this is point E. Minus 7 over 2. Okay. I'm sorry. Minus. So X was here. This was the X. Okay. And that was the Y. So minus 7 over 2 is here. Okay. And 4 is here. So if we draw perpendicular lines in here, they intersect. So this is point E. Minus 7 over 2 and 4. This is not minus 7 over 2. This is 4 and minus 7 over 2. Okay. The ordinate of every point on the x-axis. It means the value of y-axis on the x-axis is 0. It means, look, in the x-axis, this is x-axis. Okay? If we plot a point here, so we don't have any ordinate. It means the y is always 0. Okay? As you see, let me draw in the different color. As you see, the y coordinates are 0. Why? Because the point is in the x-axis. And also, in the y-axis, as you see, x's are 0. Why? Because x doesn't have any coordinate in the y-axis. The point is just on the y-axis. Okay? Thanks for watching. If you have any question, if you have any suggestion, just write in the comments.